Are you worried your child isn't thriving in a traditional classroom? Picture a vibrant homeschool day with playful lessons and a flexible schedule tailored to your family. Explore methods like Charlotte Mason, Montessori, unschooling, classical education, and unit studies. No guesswork needed. Our easy-to-follow home education tips help parents find the perfect homeschool curriculum for every age. Say goodbye to dull worksheets. Hello to hands-on activities that spark creativity and excitement. Join a community of homeschooling families who support and inspire each other every step of the way. Ready to start your homeschooling adventure? Check out our blog at https://CurioKidsCentral.com, homeschooling resources, and let's make learning magical.